Hey, this is Rick. So in this one, I'm going to show you how the new designs work. So here is our program name. Here is our level. And essentially what we want to do is we want to link one of these cards to this program name with this level. Now it's really important that the program name matches exactly to what you have in Ultra, so that matches up exactly. And then you want to make sure that the level matches up exactly as you have it typed in here as well. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go ahead and grab the exact name, and that is this starter initial here, and you can see it's right there, so I can just grab it from there just to make sure it's typed in exactly the same. So once you have these two things, then pretty much you just need to assign it to the card that you want to show up whenever this program name and this level are referenced together. So we're just going to go over to the one that I want, which is this 7 starter initial membership. And then we're going to head over into settings here. And then you will see the section down here that says add a membership program and level. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab this, add that in there. And then the level is this one here, and add that there. And I'm going to go ahead and add that there, and you'll see it takes a second for it to load. And there you go. That's all there is to it. So pretty much now, whenever an email goes out that matches this criteria, so this program with this level are looked up, then this design will show up. So you no longer need to tie the specific level to the specific email. It works now more of a dynamic way. So you no longer need to have a separate email for each of these membership cards. You can just have one email that links to each card, just depending on what their level and program name are. And it's really important that whenever you do this switch, that all of these have the appropriate levels so they're able to be looked up, and all that's working accordingly in that form. So again, this is a simpler way than having to link the card individually into each design and having to create, in this case, 8 different emails. You can just now create one email and it will link all accordingly to each design, because now we're using the level and then the program name instead of manually linking them inside the email. And that's going to go ahead and do it here for me. Once again, this is Rick from Social Good Software. Hopefully you found this video helpful. We're always looking to improve and make things better. If something was not clearly explained in this video, or maybe you just are still a little bit confused and have some additional questions that we didn't talk about in the video, don't worry, we're here to help. Please go over to socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. You're able to provide us feedback on this training. You're able to provide us feedback on the software. We're always looking to improve. So if you have any suggestions, please reach out to us. Again, socialgoodsoftware.com/feedback. You'll be able to go ahead and share your thoughts with us, and we're always happy to help.